chagi mar PWDs then kadipon tie gimoro ma ne bet ka gima sano ngadi mok iwacho tami thuolo matimo kamano.
Erokamano kendo Victor. Seche ga time ni mi amachuok no katieko 1 or 2.
Okay.
Because I didn't even talk about
Akwa ni bed kingio.
Oh sure.
Kamera cha.
Okay, sure.
Erokamano.
No, okay, no ka watch about insecurity kata security makasepol. Insecurity makasepol and both bad leadership, poor leadership or bad leadership kata unemployment. The leaders moko take advantage of the unemployed youth mondo giti kodgi a source of koro ginyiso gi ni wamiyo giwanda osomo matin to gibedo ne koro gibedo hostile nekech ka kobedo hostile kata tiyo according to the master tifwenyo ni koro kodhi yudo gima onego yud cha to unemployment mosebedo key might lead to that koro gibedo vulnerable to those handouts. Osipa ni openjo gimoro ma want to anchor on that. Basically, one of konyolo kasepul nyoro, and we have not to be into leadership makasepul kware nyoro. The late naragonyo the late na support ma was we actually somehow is PA mobede bunge. Kianya gowa tibiro ng'eyo ne abiro duoko gi jamagungu mawacho ne ang'o makoro kwa wewe wuode otieki gik manotimo dak ne wapenji. Personally, I asked a lot kane mheshimiwa the late Okeyo bus ne nyagoa school nyagoa Lutheran mako kane chakore school ne onge infrastructure, ne onge classroom, school ne onge laboratory, onge library, school nyithindo some tie yien, school nyithindo chul ne gi kata pesa ma sirikal okelo mar basarini tikelo bus ne school makata yo madhi school onge. When we asked for us the mondo set priorities right, no duoka chiel momiyo na wacho ni wang' no kachaka support ng'ato Nicolens kamane kaka tiyo kanya sao yie jokasipul chiemo no yieri, you will set those who are priority right butio ni jokasipul kamano. Second to that, when I talk about and as a youth leader majo kasipul for quite a long time. When I was the youth leader majo kasipul, I came up. It was when we want to solve, we want to create an employment, solve societal problems.
Okay.
I came up with the waste management mechanism, outsourcing of waste and Makele Umabe County. I want someone to come and challenge us today.
Okay.
Kana Kele na mi ukumu, former MCA, Lungana Pase, Maist Kamagak.
Okay.
Ni Mondoteri Assembly for discussion.
Okay.
Unfortunately, no Kiteri Assembly, no they wet governor.
Okay.
Governor found a friend, Manomeo, Maist the late MP. Ematimo waste management makase pulsane and a project mana institute.
In evidence mako penji tinyalo pedho no ka egala moro ne.
Yeah, I have blueprint. Talking is a thing mondo be a pede.
Okay.
If you could ask me to pedo it, I can tell you that. Yeah.
Okay.
So when I brought that, Nakele Mondo employ youths makase pol. Right from waste collection, waste transportation, sorting out of waste and waste recycling. And did you know, in the entire country, I stand to be corrected, there's no glass recycling farm. My opted the county for discussion, now county government could lobby Katamanyo, an institution outside the country, Mondo initiate an industry can recycle glass instead of cow glass as Tikunyubu did the Ibu dire. Then the AP took it and employed only a few. No, let me just finish.
Okay. Amida kachiel kende.
No.
Kiyena.
You know, you have given me so many things to answer. You are giving me to one minute. So, what is it for?
Collins, Tulupudmari.
Yes. I'm answering those questions at random, yes. One by one. Secondly, there's a youth Buchako Penjo Kane Jomanegi Ngol, Wakitokani. Sirikant Kenya can nigi check. Mawachone ntie projects. Mimi jok man gango gengol. Projects gi wabiro miyogi. If akada ketomano kama wabedo kata gi osipna Jessica ungeni wen kan youth makase pol kan oseger chiro makase pol masam forces nedama kata yugis chiro. I came in as a youth leader, more defending our people. Along defending that, I insisted need people living with disability nyakanemi chuachiel.
Okay.
Then people living the youth nyakanemi chuachiel.
Okay.
Choni kano semegi, I also insisted because I came to realize ni jogi ko wene gi pesa go mondo gidhi gi team go something ma meaningful. You know, some of them don't do that. What I initiated woni mondo gi chul health care programs give these proceeds mondo ga ng'ato tuo ki koro chako many pesa or the hospital direct engage. That's why I'm saying no matter even for the country when it comes to the issue of SHA registration. SHA is a very good health program. I want to tell the country SHA is a good health program. The only problem managing SHA is here. Registration was done mock bear because our people were not well informed. Kaka gi register.
Yeah,
that's what I'm giving out. I realize ne ngamano go ode o chul siling 100 chula lo fachiel. Ngamano go chul 50 bob chulo 500. This is legislative now. Ko yera tell the legislate mondo what mondo team new registration for the SHA. Mondo jowa chul SHA kulingana na uwezo wa mfuko yao. Manage 1. 2, what the lobby, I'm not lobbying, but we are going to legislate mondo shani chak chule to a level ma ngato nyalo chule on a monthly basis because jowa yudo ka onge pesa motima ngo morom. Then what the chakwa keto ni jodongo age 60 and above or 56 and above mondo chulne gi SHA directly gi sirikal gi kata pesa gund national NGCDF ne mondo kigi bedi gi problem mag healthcare systems.
Irukamana nya wacho ni SHA no unatimo kinde mar